Remember, whether you are an entertainer, a speaker, an MC, a facilitator, a workshop leader, you are bringing an experiential component to these events. You're not handling the signage, the registration, the transportation, right? There's all of these kind of nuts and bolts factors, the digital, the app, the platform, all of these things that go into making an event. And then they're adding elements such as yourself. So you're bringing that human experiential element. And a big part of that is you're bringing the fun component. Even if you're a serious keynote speaker, right? You're bringing engagement. You're bringing live real-time content. So make sure that you're having fun up there because that is a big part of why they're bringing you on. If you're having fun, if you're enjoying yourself, we can tell as an audience. When you're having fun, we're having fun. Even if, again, if you're a serious keynote, you can still, maybe not cracking jokes and doing bits necessarily, but you can tell when you're watching a speaker who is enjoying what they do. They're enjoying themselves, they're having a great time, and they're really owning that stage. They're putting all of the people in the audience at a comfort level. They can now enjoy and receive the content. When they're having fun, now the meeting planners, the meeting professionals, they're having fun. Everyone relaxes. So it starts with you. That's why you're being brought in, not just for your content, but for your personality, to put everyone at ease because you are a professional. You've done this before.